to get started with the Acorns Early card. Welcome to Acorns Early. Let's walk through how to set up and fund your new Acorns Early debit card. We'll show you how to customize your child's card, when to expect it in the mail, and how to activate it once it arrives. Once you've set up your parent account and verified your identity in the Acorns Early app, you're ready to add your first child and set up their debit card. Here's how to do that. Start by tapping Add One to add your first child. Next, enter your child's first and last name and date of birth. Then tap Continue. Now you'll customize their card. You can pick from over 35 unique designs for $5 or stick with the standard free option. Make your selection, then tap Continue. Next, you'll confirm your card design, or if you want to add cards for more than one child, you can add them here. Tap Confirm to move forward. Now you'll choose your Acorns Early subscription, Light or Gold, then tap Continue. With your card customized and plan selected, it's time to fund your Acorns Early parent account. Start by depositing at least $5 to your parent wallet. From there, you can transfer that money to your child's card, use it to pay allowance and chores, and more. Tap Continue. Review your choices and tap Continue. Next, you'll link your bank account to fund your deposit. Tap Link My Bank to connect with Plaid, a secure service we've partnered with to connect your bank to Acorns Early. Search for your bank, then sign in using your online banking username and password. If you prefer, you can also deposit money using another method like a debit or credit card. Shipping usually takes 7 to 10 business days. You can also track its shipping anytime from the home screen. Just tap on your child's card for more details. Once you receive the debit card in the mail, it's time to activate it. First, open the Acorns Early app. Underneath your child's name, next to their card, tap Activate. We'll guide you through the activation process, whether you're doing it together with your child or on your own. Enter the last 4 digits of the card number. Next, create a unique PIN and tap Verify My PIN. That's it! Your child's Acorns Early debit card is now activated and ready to use. The final step is to transfer funds from your parent account onto the card so the card is funded. Tap Fund Your Child's Account. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer to your child's card. Tap Transfer. That's everything you and your child need to get started with Acorns Early, growing money skills together, one step at a time.